Hello, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been so long since I last did an upload. Life has got in the way, unfortunately, recently. It's been a bit crazy, we're moving house and all sorts. So today, I have received a new dash trim to replace this disgusting piano black with what should be, I haven't actually opened it, but there should be matte carbon effect to match the rear spoiler. So this is just going to be a quick video on, obviously this is how it looks. So you've got your little flap there, you've got your other little pocket here, and then you've got this bit here. So I'm going to open this little package, apply it all, and then show you what it looks like and describe. I'd imagine it's quite easy to install. Hopefully it's just sticky back plastic or sticky tape or something. And just let you know. So this is the Taptes, or Taptes, however you pronounce it, carbon fibre trim pack that took stupidly long to arrive. They said 3 to 5 days, and it actually took about 7 weeks, despite numerous emails to China, them telling me it's on the way every day and it'll be here today or it'll be here tomorrow. So what I would advise if you're looking at ordering from Taptes or Taptes, be prepared for a long wait. I think it came by carrier pigeon over the blooming sea. It's ridiculous. Hey ho, it's here now. We'll get it installed and yeah, update you shortly. Okay, cheers. So here are the pieces, taking out the wrapper. So there's one there, and then what I didn't realise is the one that goes around the cup holders has this hideous little space to put the credit card key that's supposed to go there, which is a real shame because it's raised, look, it's a big hole, and I don't use the key card because I bought one of the key fobs, or I use the phone, so yeah, that's pretty disgusting, but at least once it's in, it'll actually be tucked up here out the way, so at least you won't see it because that's just disgusting. Anyway, these are the pieces. They are all just double-sided tape by the look of it, just to stick on, but it does look like actually this might, I don't know, is that real carbon fibre weave? Not sure, it might be. It's very lightweight, feels pretty good. So yeah, I'll get it installed, take some more photos and update you shortly. So there we have it. It is now installed. Let's just zoom out. Oh, well, let me zoom out, okay. But yeah, that's installed. It's pretty painless. There's a piece there, and then, as I said, there's that disgusting card holder thing in the middle, which is just revolting. But a piece of cake to install. There's lots of sticky back plastic that was just on the back for the sticky pads. There was kind of a strip up across here, across all around the edge, and I think there was one across the middle. The piece around the cup holder is pretty, it could have done with a piece there and a piece here really, because it's a bit, as you can see, it's not great for 150 quid or 120 quid. I can't remember how much it cost now, it took so long to come. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is, I suppose. Cheap tat, but it looks nice, better than that gloss black, and then it goes with the wood and the rear spoiler. So it feels pretty robust. So yeah, I'm generally pleased, I think, with that. It looks quite a lot nicer than it did. And like I say, it was, I don't know, 2-3 minutes to install it. The longest bit was taking the bloody plastic off the back. So there you go. If you want to order one, be prepared to wait an extremely long time, and it be yeah, not the best quality sort of fit. A few more sticky bits would be great, but it looks okay. So apologies for the pretty bland and boring video, but you know, honesty is the best policy and all that. Save your money. Anyway, I will get some more videos done soon. Take care, speak to you soon. Bye.